Hintayong matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga pagkamitan. Nais namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng password sa mga
Like a boss,
seatbelt
wala lang
ay
seatbelt.
mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. As a safety precaution, please remain seated while the fasten seatbelt sign is still on before standing up to get your bags. Thank you. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo habang nakailaw ang fasten seatbelt sign at hintayin mabigyan ng pahintulot bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Ladies and gentlemen, as courtesy to our next passengers, may we request that you cross your seatbelt as you leave your seat. Thank you. For our guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. The unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. For your safety, please walk through designated areas at the ramp, as directed by our ground personnel. It is prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings. And please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activities. Thank you. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Cebu, please proceed to the transfer desk located in the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, wait for the fastest